Hindi ba ito gamitin?
Stereo? Oo, tama. TRS naman yun eh. Stereo? Oo, stereo. I-connect naman sila namin dito eh. So, perfect. Okay.
Gusto mo ba gumamit ng amp?
Ah, dito ba tayo? Diretso?
Naka-DI to.
Kaso naka-headset tayo lahat.
Oh, depende dito. Kayo JD.
Pwede naman.
Anong plano mo JD?
Supposedly, DI box eh. Nagay ko eh.
O sige, DI box na lang.
Before it's too late, we need to make a change.
To make a change.
We will be so.
Kunin mo, basta.
Okay. I don't think I'm gonna miss.
Oh my God!
Okay na lang, violent. Bakas talaga. Hindi relax ang kamay mo na yun.
Lakasan mo pa ng konti yung...
Kasi galing ako sa mataas.
Salamat. Oh, kaway sa video. Thank you.
Oy,
Ayun. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Salamat.
thank you po sa ulit na wag madadala.
I-play mo nga yung flat lang siya. Yung wala lang siyang munang ano, yung kaninang pinatugtog mo.
No more sunny days anymore. Clouds of smoke billowing through the sky. It's so hard. No more
Linis niya eh. Flat lang oh. Kahit flat siya oh.
Sweep me off my feet, brought a spot in me, not enough to be so hard.
before it's too late. We need to make a change. For the truth is, we are what we sow.
Anymore, and now there's nothing to eat.
We are perfect beings,
Sweep me off my feet, brought a spot in me, not enough to hit it so hard.
Before it's too late, we need to make a change. For the truth is, we reap what we sow. Before it's too late, we need to make a change.
Whoa.
For the truth is, we reap what we sow.
No more poverty